Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Right here in front of us, we have a cool men's clothing company, FIOBOC. And just like all my videos, as we get started, top link in the description box right below the video will be this clothing company where you guys can look at their sizes, their clothes, and pick some up yourself. So I got a lot of different options here. We're gonna do a little try on here. I got a nice little polo collared shirt. All of these are size medium, and I'll show you, of course, what they look like on me. I'm 5'9", athletic build, 155 pounds in my weight. We have some cool colors. We got blue, we got like a navy blue and a couple blacks. So let's get straight on into it. Okay, the first one is gonna be the black polo shirt with the collar. And this thing fits like a glove. This is the size medium. Again, I'm 155 pounds, athletic build. It has a nice stretch material. The gunnies look good in it. I could still swing a golf club if I wanted to. Look at that stretch material. I'll tell you what, that pops the muscles really, really nice. Okay, I'm 5'9". It sits right below my belt, and this feels good, number one. The material is very nice. I do want to share with you. We're gonna find out if this is with all their shirts, but this particular shirt is made with 37% renewable plant-based material, long-lasting stretch fabric. So once again, this is stretchy, this feels good, definitely very, very nice. I got a golf trip coming up, or even Christmas Eve church service. I mean, this looks great with my jeans. Take a look at this. Looking absolutely fantastic. Again, you can tuck that in with your golf pants. Very slim, it really hugs my torso. Very, very impressed with the first go around. I mean, look at the guns. I like shirts that feel good, look good. We got two buttons, so if you really wanted to, you could button that second one up, and then we have the button right here. This is the black color in the polo with the collar. Absolutely fantastic. Great shirt. Okay, this one I'm super, super excited about because, let me lower that camera here. This is also the same type of material, 37% plant-based material. Now it does hug me nicely as well. This one feels slightly a little bit maybe looser than the polo shirt, but not much at all. I mean, it still hugs me very nicely. It just might be a tad bit looser up here, but don't quote me on that one. It could be the exact same, but it just kind of looks in the camera here. Now, what I like about this one is, let me take off my beanie and forgive my hair. As I'm getting older, I'm gonna start wearing a lot more long sleeves outside, but this also, and this is a medium again, this also has a hood to protect your head. So whether I'm trail running, whether I'm just walking the dog out in the morning time, I get my morning UV light. I have very fair skin, and the dermatologist doesn't like as much sun as I had back in my early 20s. Just a little heads up on that. Don't overdo it with the sunshine. So, this is absolutely fantastic. I have long arms. This fits great. This is gonna be great for pickleball. Wear that with some shorts. Mountain biking has the hood on it, which is really cool. So I can pop that up as I'm playing pickleball if it gets a little too intense with that sun. Again, you'll thank me later, fair-skinned people. Protect your skin early on, and don't worry about all this like, I want to be tan business. I said the same thing. It'll cost you in the long run. Anyway, love this one as well with the hood, long sleeve, medium. So far, we're 2 for 2. Okay, let's catch the color of this. This is the navy blue. This is also the long sleeve as well. This is the same material. These are a little bit looser than the polo shirts up in this area here. So as you can tell, I mean, I still look like an athletic build. It just sits a little bit looser than I think the polo shirt did, if you are wondering. And it might just show more of my neck. I kind of have a thinner neck through this area. I do need to build up my muscles through this area here as well. But again, sits the same right here. And if you are wondering, there's no logos or anything, but there is a cool little tag right here on the shirts. On the two long sleeve shirts that I've tried, not on the polo shirt though. And again, this will be absolutely fantastic for mountain biking. I'm starting to wear long sleeves now. Again, protecting my skin, even working outside. On my house remodel, I'm doing a full remodel. I live in Colorado. The sun is very intense. I live at 7,200 feet That's very high, close to the sun, and it's all about protecting yourself, and I want to look good as well. All right, 3 for 3, loving it. And lastly, we have a short sleeve. This fits just like the polo, very nice and tight. This is tighter than the long sleeve we just saw, and is tighter in this area here, which I prefer personally. But if I'm going to be mountain biking, I want a little bit of looseness. But again, the stretchy material right here. And I mean, yeah, look at how this one just conforms. This is kind of like the sky blue or lighter blue. You'll see a top link in the description box below. But look at that look right here. I think we have that same little tag on this one. But again, it's not on the polo shirt. Not that I saw, at least when I double checked. And again, look at the athletic fill right here. It really jacks up your back, your chest, tight on the arms, but not too tight. There's plenty of room in there. And I personally like the fit of this. Again, I keep saying it, 155 pounds, 5'9", athletic build, size medium for everything that you've seen in this video. This is very, very nice. So again, long sleeve for protection, mountain biking, short for just going out, enjoying the day. Thumbs up in my book. Again, top link in the description box below will be these exact same shirts. Look at their different colors, look at their different sizes, pick them up yourself. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel. Thank you for your time. Once again, top link in the description box below. We'll see you on the next video. My name is Chris.